Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're going to begin by cutting power to potential culprits. First, remove all USB drives and peripherals so nothing forces safe mode. Once done, press and hold the TV box power button for 10 seconds to force a shutdown, then wait 30 seconds before powering up. You want a clean boot without controllers or sticks attached. Make sure the remote is on fresh batteries. Using the device power button avoids sending input that can trigger safe mode. Now watch for the boot logo and safe mode text. Next, you'll focus on apps. Safe mode usually blocks third-party apps. If you can reach settings, go to apps and sort by installation date to find recent additions. Uninstall the most recent 1 to 3 apps one at a time, then reboot after each uninstall to test if safe mode clears. If you can't uninstall, go to an app storage and clear cache and data to test. Once you remove the offending app, the device should boot normally. If not, continue to system-level fixes. To finish, update or reset. First, check settings about for a system update and install it, then reboot. Updates can resolve safe mode triggers. If that fails, back up settings and perform a factory reset from device preferences. This removes persistent faults but erases data. As a final troubleshooting tip, disconnect power for 1 minute and try a different HDMI port or TV input, and always replace remote batteries. Sometimes stray input or a stuck button keeps the unit in safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.